Welcome to Tools for Teens, where the smart gets smarter. Today I'm showing you 4 extensions to supercharge your efficiency. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Tools for Teens, where the smart gets smarter. In the last lesson, we talked about shortcuts. We're going to build on that today, and I'm going to show you some very cool and important extensions that I think you should install. The first one is Quillbot. So you can choose between Quillbot or Grammarly. I think Monica is another one. I wouldn't install more than one, but the idea is to have just a grammar checker or a spell checker within all of the platforms that you use. So let's say I want to say, search the web for excellent AI tools. You can see here that I misspelled excellent, and now Quillbot is going to pick that up. It's going to provide an alternative, and if I click on that, it's going to fix it effectively immediately. So AI is pretty forgiving when it comes to spelling errors, but there could be times where you misspell something that completely changes the meaning of the sentence. We want to be as clean and clear as possible when it comes to prompting. So for that, we're going to install Quillbot. The next one is a voice assistant that you can use within ChatGPT. So you're going to install this extension, and then what you're going to see is when you open up ChatGPT, this little microphone appears on the platform. This is very useful when I don't want to use advanced voice mode. So I just want to waffle around, sometimes pause for a very long time, think about what I want to say, and then continue on. So let me show you how this works in real time. I'm going to press this button. I want you to search the web for the best AI tools available, and then give me a bullet point list in a concise format. Choose the top 10 best tools as suggested by experts. Okay, so what you can see happened was I had to think a little bit about what I was going to say, and then I didn't get interrupted by the voice assistant, all right? The only thing about this add-on is that it might misinterpret what you're saying, so it might make some spelling errors, especially if you use words from another language. I find where this works really well is when I'm sort of thinking out loud and I don't want to spend a lot of time building up an elaborate prompt. So a nice little hack, voice control for ChatGPT. I would recommend that you install it. The next one is the Perplexity extension. Very useful when you want quick summaries of websites. So let's say I have to write a report or an article for school and it's all about multitasking. So now I'm going to search for why multitasking is bad for you. So now I'm going to be hit with a multitude of articles, and perhaps I need a lot of info very quickly to decide how to put my article or report together. So I'm going to click into one of these. Let's see the National Institute of Health. That looks like a good option. I'm not sure how long this article is going to be or how dense it's going to be. It looks pretty dense. Okay. So now I can scan through this. Obviously, I could read through it, or I can go to my Perplexity AI companion. So I click on this little puzzle piece and I search for my Perplexity extension, click on that, and now I can just click on summarize. All right. And within seconds, it's going to give me a breakdown of this article and the key points. Discusses the effect of multitasking on the brain, emphasizing the human mind is not architecturally designed for true multitasking. Brilliant. So there you can see now I have this in bullet points, and this is a very good way to extract information very quickly in order to build upon that later. All right. So Perplexity is number 3. The last extension I want to introduce you to is GLASP. If I go to YouTube and I search how multitasking affects the brain, I can then click on any of these videos. The BBC video looks like a good option. And then what you will see is here at the top, you have the transcript and summary option that GLASP now offers you. So I can choose the summarize video option, or I can copy the whole transcript, go back to ChatGPT and just say, summarize this transcript. I paste that in, I press go, and now I have a quick breakdown of what this video is about, and I can very quickly decide whether it's worth watching, if this is the information that I need for my report or my article, or should I just quickly move on. And one last hack that I want to share with you has nothing to do with AI. I want you to go to WhatsApp and I want you to create a new group. So I'm just going to add my mom to this group. So I'm going to choose my mama. All right. And that's it. And now I'm going to name this group Tian's AI Notes and Links. All right. And now I'm going to go to group info and I'm going to throw my mom out of this group. So here I'm going to select the option of remove. All right. So goodbye, mom. Remove my mom from my group. Yes, you're no longer welcome in my group. So now I am the only person in this group. This is extremely useful. So when I come across articles or links or anything related to AI, I quickly paste that into my little group. And that helps me to not lose information and links that I come across. It's all there on WhatsApp. I recommend you make as many groups with yourself as possible to organize your life. I hope this video was useful and that these hacks and extensions are going to help you be more efficient. I will see you in the next one. Stay adaptable.